Hello explorers! Today, discover Kwita Izina, the ceremony where Rwanda names its baby gorillas to protect nature. Every year, baby gorillas receive a special name. This helps scientists protect them and shows how humans and animals can live together. Since 2005, more than $8.2 million United States dollars have helped villages around the parks. These projects allow children to go to school and families to live better. Stars, heads of state, and scientists from around the world come to celebrate gorillas and learn how to protect them. Kwita Izina shows that everyone can help the planet. Come discover Kwita Izina and become a little guardian of nature too.